Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to change a photo background a photo on Microsoft Designer. So guys, the first step I need to do, I want to create an image, edit image from here. Wait guys, and from here guys, to loading this page, what you have to do, I want to, for example guys, added a new photo, and from here what you have to do, I want to upload an image from my or the desktop, from for example this image guys. As you can see here, if you want to guys remove background, to change the background photo, click this option and click this one guys, delete. And as you can see here, the background was removed, the first step. And after that, I want to upload another background to use this as a background. I want to make this one, for example, and click the right corner and click this step as a background. As you can see here guys, was added a background. Just click this option, set up a background for new photo. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.